Want to make this yummy mouth-watering chocolate cake yourself? Then watch the video till end as I take you through the process of making healthy vegan chocolate cake with perfect measurements without using a single drop of oil, sugar, milk or egg. For the cake you will need 1 cup whole wheat flour, half cup cashews, 1 cup jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. To make the icing you will need half cup of cashews, 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder and half cup of jaggery powder, which is not shown in this picture. Let's take the half cup of cashews and soak in water for 10 minutes, after which we will drain that water completely and place the cashews in the chutney grinding jar, and we will add fresh 4 tablespoons of water and then we will grind them. We will add water later as well, but to let it grind properly, initially we added little water. Now again we will add 4 tablespoons of water and grind them to make a smooth paste. Before we start mixing our cake ingredients, let's preheat the oven for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, we'll take all the dry ingredients of the cake and mix them well. Here goes the wheat flour, the jaggery powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt, cocoa powder. Let's mix them well. Now let's add the cashew paste to the mixing bowl, and the remaining cashew paste which is lying stuck inside the grinding jar, we will add 1 cup of water and shake it well so that all the cashew paste which is stuck inside the grinding jar as well as in the lid comes along with the water. This mixture we will add to the mixing bowl. Let's mix all the dry and wet ingredient properly to make a smooth paste. As can be seen, the batter has many air pockets nicely formed, and this is the consistency we need of the batter. When you place the spoon like this is the flowy consistency we need. Let's grease the cake tin with neutral smelling oil. I am using sunflower oil to grease the cake tin. Now let's dust the cake tin surface with cocoa powder. We are doing this process so that the cake batter doesn't get stuck on the surface of the cake tin when it is getting baked. As you can see, there is lot of extra cocoa powder. Whatever extra you think, you can take it and place it safely for further use. Like this, coat the bottom as well as the sides of the cake tin properly. Now let's pour the batter in the cake tin and put it in the oven to bake. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe it. Let's place the cake batter in the oven and allow it to bake for 20 minutes. Let's prepare the icing for the cake. I have taken cashews which were soaked for 10 minutes, and to that I will add cocoa powder and jaggery powder, and let's grind them well. We grinded the mixture without any additional water. Now after this much coarsely grinding it, we will add 4 tablespoons of water and grind the icing again. Our icing is ready. This cake was taken out from the oven after 20 minutes, and after that I allowed it to cool for 1.5 hours. Now it's the time to unmold the cake. Let's do the icing of the cake. Our cake is all done and ready to serve. Look at the texture of this cake. How spongy it is. This cake, which is made without a single drop of oil, is so fluffy. This cake is made without egg, sugar or milk. Do try out this healthy recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Hope you like this recipe, so please subscribe to the channel for more such healthy recipes. Like, share amongst your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.